Before starting video, I would not like to say that we do not accept animal abuse and we are not doing it. After many shots, we give him a treat and some pauses before next ones. We respect his personal space. And we care if he is okay. And how could we shot a shot when everybody is happy? Hi Pet Loves! Today we will be shooting MV for Mika first song. First shot is in car, where Mika drives. Mika, watch where you are driving. Finally, our first shot is over. There he comes. All the way to Bella. By the way, Bella was not planned in our video. She escaped while filming. At least Mika had some fun too. They took Bella. Mika, of course, was really sad. Mika, let's go film next shot. Cleaning him. Happy boy. This was the most hardest shot because he did not walk but was minding his own business or just standing. I love this shot. Cleaning, of course. Gave him a little pause before next shot. Let's go Mika. I can't tell if he likes or not. Next shot is Mika being hip-hop rapper mix. The last shot. That's the end of shooting. Finally, right Mika? Anyways, enjoy Mika first recorded song and MV.